Every house needs windows and doors, and today we've come to look for some amazing windows and doors. We've come here to Bukalu to see their windows and doors.
Okay. So,
Let's go. Wow. What do we have there? This window is very stable. Come look at this.
Oh.
It's so stable because you see these metal are so thick here. And look at the screws. So obviously when you want to change the windows, you can just unscrew it here and at the top. Then you can replace the window in the future if you want. So there are two types of windows if you think about the way that they open. For example, this window opens outwards. Then you get another type of window that opens inwards. So over here we have a multifunctional window. When the handle is in the down position, it's locked. You can't open it. Then you can open the window like a normal window. Then if you position the handle upwards, it can also open like that. Over here we have a very small door. Wow. Then look over here, there's a small mosquito net. If you want to open it, you just press there. These type of windows are used on balconies. This is for your protection, not to fall over. Then it's very convenient, you can feel the fresh air, you can close it, and then you have a mosquito net and still get the air, or if the weather is really bad, you can close it all. So this door is so stable. Then if you look, why is it stable? Because it's so thick and strong. Compared to other sliding doors which are only about this thick, this one is almost double the size. If I want to close it, I simply press close. And there it comes again. Over here now, we have the parts that they use when making the windows. For example, this is a handle that they use. You can see the different colors of the handles. Then over here we can see the types of glass they use. You can see some are notably thicker. For example, you see this glass have some black between it. The purpose of this glass is to stop the sound coming into your house. Then over here we have the metal they use. This is aluminium. You can see the thickness is very thick. So that's why the doors and windows are very stable. Then over here, this showcases the different types of metal used for the smaller windows. And here we have some more glass and frames. You can see it's very, very solid and the glass is very thick. It's almost like bulletproof glass. Then over here, this is the screws and other stuff they use and some more of their panels and joints. Everything looks very strong and stable. What is this? This is one panda from their company. This Bukalu is very nice. Today we saw some amazing windows and doors. And the quality is so nice. You can see the doors and windows are so strong. When you open and close it, they hardly move. So it was quite amazing because every house needs a window and a door. You can't escape that. So when you put windows in your house or doors in your house, it's better to choose the good quality stuff. Otherwise you have to replace it after a few years. And I'm quite impressed by the products here.
好，来，今天我们发现了这么多好用、实用的门窗。
Thank you guys for watching.
拜拜。